Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. And yes, this is the first ever review ng Love at First Spike. This is the latest I Want TV series exclusive produced by GMA by ABS-CBN, and it stars Emilio Daes, River Joseph, Sean Tristan, and Rain Parani. Ayun. So, yeah, the review is delayed kasi na-realize ko may subscription pala na need para mapanood ang Love at First Spike. So, akala ko kasi wala siyang subscription needed. Kasi yung Teen Clash, pinanood ko siya na libre sa iWant TV. And yes, you can only view this on iWant TV for subscription. I have to get different means kung alam yung ang ibig kong sabihin para mapanood itong series na to. So yeah, let's get through it. So we are here. Ang kwento nito is about Uno Santillan. Isang star player ng basketball sa Brixton High. I think the team is Brixton Hawks, if I'm not mistaken. And he is on a feud sa isang lalaki na ginagampanan ni River. So mga PBB stars to, si Emilio to, si Uno, si River to. So si River yung kontrabida dito. He is Parker Robinson. So yung mga estudyante dito sa Brixton, medyo mga sosyalin yung mga pangalan eh. At si Uno lang ata yung parang normal ang apelyido, or kasi tingnan, Parker Robinson. Like, damn, you're named after Tony Parker and David Robinson. Tapos ito si Uno Santillan with his jersey number 1. Now, the problem with Uno as a basketball player is he is a ball hog. Bakaw siya sa bola. He prefers doing isolation plays, step back threes, at hindi siya pumapasa sa mga teammates. Such that nainis o napikon ang isa niyang teammate, si Parker Robinson. And this teammate actually held a grudge against Uno and deliberately not pass him the ball at the final seconds of the game against a rival school or a visiting team. At ito yung kinapikon ni Uno. Si Uno, kung susumahin, meron siyang Mamba mentality na the drive to win. However, his drive to win is on a conflict with his selfishness. At this rate, nainis itong si Parker, sinapak niya si Uno. I believe he punched first, pero Uno retaliated and he punched so many times. So this controversy was parang kumalat sa campus, also to the volleyball team, to the neighboring team, the volleyball team. At isang babae ang I think she has a crush on Uno. Like, kung titingnan mo sa episode na to, si Farah played by Rain Parani. Yun. So Farah comforted Uno when he was down. He knows that he's gonna have his impedance suspension siguro, or he's gonna get kicked out, or his impeding punishment. Sorry. Ayun. Then we took some time. We take a look at the cast of the volleyball team. So there's Farah, and then there's Jared, played by Sean Tristan. He is obviously gay. And dito si na Diamond sa kasigidlat. Diamond, I'm not sure, she's a girl pero she is on the men's volleyball team and not the women. So she's a tomboy. I got confused kasi tawag sa kanya gay in the subtitles o bakla, which is the Tagalog term for gay, pero tomboy siya eh. And we got Kidlat, who is like the comic relief ng grupo and has a soft spot for Uno. Yeah. We get the eventual news that Uno is kicked out of the basketball team. Minor repercussions lang sa pag-aawat ng nanay niya. And he is allowed to keep his scholarship if he is able to get a team to join or another sport to join with. At yun yung naging drive ni Uno on the on the rest of the episode and seeing the situation that his mother is in. So, yung nanay niya, todo kayod, since wala na yung scholarship, he realized his mom is gonna have to pay for the tuitions, which are pending. So, his mom has to work double shift, di ba? And, may insas pa dito live selling eh. And we learned that his mother is a querida, or someone who had an affair with a married person. I think the married person is Ato. Ato yung name. And yung Ato na yun, he was actually at the game where Uno got suspended. He was watching, he walked out after seeing Uno's action. Ayun. So, what can we say about this? Uno really loves his mother. Uno has some family issues, but he gets anger the best of him. Okay? He lets his anger get the best of him. He has some temperament issues and is being labeled as an obnoxious jerk by the community. Now, the drive is Uno has to look for a new sport. So, pumunta siya sa swimming tryouts. Turns out, sa swimming, na-cancel yung tryout. We learned that Parker's parents are members of the board. So, he could have had a hand on this situation. And Uno has no choice. Until Farah actually uncovered the leaflets. At nakita rin pala ni Uno na kinapetisyan to that there is a volleyball tryout. However, due to parang label niya na obnoxious jerk, he felt that Jared won't let him in on the team. Akala ni Farah, tinutukoy niya si Parker, which pupolitikahin ni Parker yung pagpasok ni Uno sa volleyball team. But no, it was Jared all along. So, Uno did do the tryouts. Jared asked what he's doing here. On the urge of the coach, Jared must begin the tryouts. And there are 2 rounds. Uno, during the tryouts, he showed some promise, talent sa volleyball. Nag-i-improve siya pero mukha siyang fast learner naman pero nagkakamali rin. Which is expected for a rookie. And then round 2, at least na ipanalo ni Uno yung team niya when he did the winning spike against the girls volleyball team. However, the episode ends with a cliffhanger na hindi tanggap si Uno sa volleyball team. So, we need to find out next episode. How will this happen? How will Uno gets into the volleyball team? Perhaps there will be reconsideration on his application. Perhaps may parang retry out ulit, or may nag-quit sa mga napili at siya yung sunod, or maybe si Farah tinay siyang pasukin. Tingnan the next episode, which will air on Sunday, which I will review on Sunday. Ayun, ayos naman the drive. It is a 1-hour premiere. Naipakilala naman yung mga characters, yung mga background. Maganda naman yung action sa sports. I think I prefer the basketball game better kasi medyo familiar ako pag basketball eh. Okay? So, what are we going to do, rate or see? I think the premiere is okay. Okay? Nagawa naman niya yung mission niya na mag-iset yung mga characters dito sa show na to, dito sa series na to, and we get a cliffhanger ending that leaves us wanting more. So that is my review, recap, react for Love at First Spike. Let me know in the comments what you think. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your review. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bang!